Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. Today I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to log out of Binance application on your iPhone. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. In order to log out of your Binance application, from the main homepage of Binance, you'll need to go to the human icon located at the upper left-hand corner. Soon after you tap it on, scroll all the way down and at the bottom of this page, there is a button that says Log Out. Tap on Log Out and you'll be logged out of your Binance application on your iPhone. To log in back again, from the main homepage, tap the Sign Up/Login button, enter your credentials and log into your account just like that. That was quite simple, wasn't it? I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.